Okay, so we're going to take a look at example 6, which is pretty similar to example 5. So find the interest earned. And so we want to make sure that we know that on this one, we are not looking for the account balance. We are trying to find interest earned. If you invest $100 each month for 20 years, compounded monthly at a rate of 2%. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and just make a note of a couple of things. So on this one, my periodic deposit is $100. My time value is 20 years. The rate is 2%. So we're going to convert that by dividing by 100. And that's going to turn into 0.02. And then my N value, which is how often the interest gets compounded, but it's also how often I put money into the account. It says that that's compounded monthly, so my N value is going to be 12 times a year. Okay, first thing we're going to do is find the account balance with the lovely formula at the bottom. So account balance is going to look like this big ugly fraction. And on this one, my periodic deposit is $100, or my principal there. That's how much I put in the account every month. Double parentheses, 1 plus the rate divided by N. So I'm going to have 0.02 divided by 12. And then I'm going to raise that parenthesis to the power of 12 times the time value of 20. And on the end, we will not forget to put the -1 with the parentheses. And then in the denominator, it's going to be that same fraction, the rate over N. So in this example, it's going to be, sorry, we'll make that bigger, 0.02 divided by 12. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in and find my account balance. I'm going to start with the divide key. 100, double parentheses, 1 plus 0.02 divided by 12. Oops. And parentheses, and raise it to the power of 12 times 20 years. And then don't forget on this one that you need -1 with the close parentheses. Your denominator is going to look like 0.02 divided by 12. So it looks like if you're depositing $100 a month for 20 years, this is going to be your account balance, $29,479, and then 0.683 is going to round to 68. So I'm going to put in, let's see if I can remember, 29,479.68. Nothing crazy there. We did that on examples 1 through 4 as well. And on examples 1 through 4, if I want my account balance, then I would be done. But this one doesn't ask for account balance, it asks for interest earned. So what I'm going to need to do is find out how much I put into the account. So I'm going to take my principal of 100, I'm going to multiply that by my compounding time, which in this case is 12 months, 12 months a year. So times 12 times the number of years. So that's going to tell me how much I put into the account. I'm going to take 100 times 12 times 20 and find out that what I put into the account is actually $24,000. So I am going to find out my interest paid to me on this account by taking the big ugly fraction and subtracting $24,000. That means that the interest earned is going to be $5,479.68. So this amount actually turns into, it does not love it because it's telling me I have almost no time left, $24,000. I'm going to subtract my balance with my amount entered into the account, and that means my interest earned, which we did on the calculator, my interest earned was $5,479.68.